Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Replit. So to get started, Replit is an all-in-one online coding platform that runs directly in your browser or desktop, making it easy to code, collaborate, and deploy with complicated setup. It supports 50 plus program language and offer a built-in tools like Ghostwriter, AI assistant that helps with coding completion, debugging, and explanation. You can start project instantly, working with teammates in real time, and even deploy full stack app from within the same workspace. It's great for students, ideas, devs, and anyone who wants to learn, build, and shape code quickly. The start said Replit has some limitation. Larger or more complex projects may run slower, and its new pricing model limits the numbers of free projects you can do or you can create. Some user feels the AI tools, while helpful, can turn through the credit fast and sometimes require manual correction. Still, if you are looking for a fast cloud-based IDE with a strong collaboration and a beginner-friendly features, Replit is one of the most accessible and innovative platform available in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.